Hi, good evening, friends. Today I'll be talking about three FNO stocks first, and then I'll give the details of Nifty and Bank Nifty. The first stock I'm going to discuss is about Z Entertainment. Z Entertainment had given a trend reversal earlier around 230 levels, and I had already given a call with a target of 260 earlier. Now again it has given a breakup with huge increase in volumes compared to the previous days. So that means that there is something cooking in this, and then probably this is going to test the levels of 272 and then 288. The parameters are all positive, though it is slightly overbought now, but other parameters are very positive. So with some small correction, this may definitely move up to the levels of 272 and then at least 288. It may go up beyond that also, but my target is limited to this only because these are all swing trades. So one can take a you know call of 270 after there is some minor correction in the script, because usually what happens is that it breaks out and then there is a upward movement, and then after that it comes down, and then after that slowly it moves up because it is in a overbought zone. So you can take a trade in this, that is Z Entertainment. So the next stock I'm going to talk about is Maruti Udyog. As I had mentioned in my update on front page, that Maruti has made a bullish engulf pattern, and yes, indeed it has formed a bullish engulf pattern. But the only worrying thing is that if you compare the volumes of today and then yesterday or the previous days, there is no increase, considerable increase in the volume in Maruti. So what I feel that this is probably a fake upwards, bullish engulf pattern, because it is also moving along with the Nifty. So after some upwards movement to say around 7399 levels, it may again come back because there is no volume support for this. I feel that it has moved along with Nifty, though it has formed a bullish engulf pattern. So that is a chance that I feel that it may again come down. So you can take a trade accordingly, because I cannot make any, very confidently say that it will move up to a particular level, because there is no confidence to build that. So take a trade accordingly. So then one more stock I'm going to discuss is TCS, which has again formed a one second. So again, if you see in Tata Consultancy also, there is a bullish engulf pattern seen. But again, if you consider the volumes, there is no significant increase in volumes in TCS also. There is only around, say, from 16 lakhs to around 17 lakhs. About 1 lakh difference is there. That I don't consider as a bullish pattern, though no, price wise it has given a bullish pattern, but the volume and other things does not suggest that. So it may give a upward move towards around 3654 levels, and then it may retrench again. Again, I feel that this also has moved along with Nifty. So now coming to our main index, that is Nifty index. If you observe in the earlier videos also I had mentioned that Nifty has to cross this particular trend line. It had tried one two earlier also it was trying, but there was no success because again there was selling pressure on the higher side. But today it has made that upward move, and then also it has closed above this trend line. So that means that there is a bullishness in Nifty index, and then now it can test a level of uh, it can test a level of 17,027 and then 17,147, and the support levels are being 16757 and then 16694. So there is all possibility that this will Nifty will cross 17,000 tomorrow. But also note that Thursday being a weekly expiry, and plus Wednesday there is a Fed rate announcement, and then also note that Friday is a trading holiday. So tomorrow probably we may see upwards movement, and then Wednesday also see we may see upward movement in this, but then after that it may again correct back to the support levels. Now it should not break this trend line. Once it breaks this trend line, again it will try to come down. So bears will have stronger hands. As long as it is above this trend line, bulls will have you know uh, control over the market. So this is about Nifty. And then coming back to bank index also has crossed the trend line for the short term, but it has not crossed the trend line of this long term. So it may also see a upward movement, and the support levels for this are 35153 and then 34880, and the resistance being 36553 and then 35553 and then 35804. Once it crosses above this line, this trend line, say around 35,600 levels, then probably we may see more bullishness. It should close above this trend line again. Once it closes above this trend line, again we'll see more bullishness in this. So friends, have a good trading day tomorrow. Please do subscribe to the channel so that you get alerts whenever I update the channel. Also, please share with your friends and then like the video I share for all of you your understanding. Thank you.